Hi Ray, I've got on every Scenic Gem page I've got these ads about halfway down which I've been working on, and the text here is not what it's meant to be. So that's on any Scenic Gem page, and also on the About Us page, this text down near the bottom of the page is being overridden by some code that you've put in. So here it's being overridden, and it's this Fusion text. So if I take that off, you can see that it works fine, and you've put that in recently. I can see there's the code there that's being overridden in custom CSS. And then if I scroll to the bottom where you've got your latest edition of code, where are we? Fusion text, so that one there. So that's overriding fonts on a couple of pages. Also here, these ticks have come out of alignment, so some CSS is probably interfering with those as well. Would you be able to have a look at that and just take into consideration these elements and see what you can do? Okay, thanks Ray, cheers.